gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. So I'm Jamie, and today I'm going to film my monthly favorites. This is in collaboration with my friend at Moment with Chip. I will leave her linked below. It's our group's soon-to-be baby mama, so love you, Chip. But let's just get right into the things I'm loving for this month. So I'm gonna start off with this. Now I got the Julius Play Stick Foundation, and I use quite a bit of it already. I mean, because I use a lot, I just, I put on one layer and then put on another layer. But sometimes it feels like my skin's too dry, so I'll put on a facial oil. Now you don't have to use this specific oil because I got this in like BoxyCharm or Ipsy or something, and this is pricey. So I'll put the price of this. Everything I'm gonna put is full retail price. You can get everything on sale if you know how to do your research. But this is just the one that I use. This is the Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. Now it's expensive, but I got it in one of the boxes. And this one is $16. Not bad at all, because it'll last quite a while. Because I use other foundations here and there, but I've been using this since I got it. And so, hey, these together are really good. But you don't have to get, you can get any facial oil. Can you stop? Can you stop? About to have a throwdown with my dog. Hey, hey. But okay, so these two together, you don't have to use this kind, get a different kind, or you might not need to use it at all, but I just feel like it looks better when I use the oil. Just don't use too much, because I used too much and I was greasy for days, even my hair, and I was like, girl, went overboard. So don't go overboard with your facial oil. Okay, so my next thing is, anyways, mine, it was in Aberdeen. I think I could go a shade darker, but they got a lot of shades. Big ups to Julius Place. Okay, so my next thing is, I got both of these in a BoxyCharm, I believe, but I'll put the prices up, full price again, but you can always get things on sale, for sure. This is the Violet Voss Best Life, and I also have the Violet Voss Essential Palette. Now, I got these in, I believe, BoxyCharm. I got this at the pop-up shop, this one. It is freaking amazeballs. Love it. So this is the first time that I am trying Violet Voss, and I've been sleeping on Violet Voss. It got nice shadows, y'all. Did I use this one today? I think I used, no, I don't know what I used. I used the other one today. I used this one today, so. But yeah, this is the Essentials palette. This is a good palette to travel with because of like all of these, what do you call it? Like neutral-ish, and then it got some pops of color. So it's nice to travel with. It's small. This one's kind of large, but yeah. So if you're sleeping on Violet Voss, I knew I wanted to try Violet Voss, but I didn't for a long time, and then introduced myself to them through BoxyCharm. So I'm a fan of Violet Voss, so if you can pick up any palettes on sale and whatnot, go ahead and do it, because I don't think you'll be disappointed. I don't think you will. Okay, and the next thing is, I did talk about this in one or two of my videos. This is the Kiss Brush On Nail Glue, and I carry a bottle of this everywhere. This is my older one, so it's a little, I should have brought my newer one in here, but it kind of gets a little stringy when it gets a little old, but it still works really good. And you just brush this on if your nail pops off. I think this one popped off this morning, so I just glued it right back on, and I just keep it with me, and it doesn't bother me at all. Like, I feel like if you want to peel your nails off and put on a different set, with this, since it's really smooth and it's not like lumpy like the other glue that you kind of squeeze on, that you can pop these off easier. I don't recommend it, but sometimes I do it because I think I want a different set on. So yeah, I do really recommend this brush on. I would get one to keep at home. I would actually get like 2 or 3, because I leave one at home, and then I put one in my purse, and it goes everywhere I go. So if anything pops off, which they usually don't, but if they happen to, that's fine. So do love this glue, do recommend, love it. Let's see, the next thing I have is my current like skin routine that I've been doing. I got this here. I don't know, I think it's Boxy Charm or Ipsy. I'm sorry guys, but I will put up the full price of it. So this is really nice. This is the Blue Lotus 4-in-1 cleansing milk, and I use this every day. Now the smell, it's just like a real light clean smell. It's nice. It makes your skin real soft. It's gentle on your skin. It says gently cleanses skin, removes makeup, tones and smooths, soap and sulfate free, all skin types. And I really do believe it does tone and soothe your skin because it's so soft. And in combination with that, I did it. I got the Wishful. Now this is the Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub, and it is really pricey. I think I got powder on everything. I always do. This is a bit pricey, but I think it's worth the splurge. I think I'll put the price up, but you might get it on sale, or I don't think this will go on sale, but if you want to splurge, this is the full size. These are about the same. This one's pretty dang big. This one's pretty big here. They do have a smaller size. It's probably about half the size of this. I'll put, I think, I'm not sure how much that one is, but this one is pricey, but it's worth the splurge. And this is gonna last forever because this is huge. It is it's 100 milliliters or whatever, and 3.38 full ounces. It lasts you forever because you just use this like twice a week. And even with the twice a week, my skin looks good, girl. Does it not look good? Come on, girl. Does this not look good? See? I would splurge on it, but this has pineapple enzyme, papaya enzyme, AHA and BHA in it. And with the pineapple enzyme and the papaya enzyme, that's what's making this thing work. But the thing is about this, you put it in your hand, and I use probably about 2 to 3 pea sizes, and it starts off like really kind of just normal soap, and then as you rub it in, it's kind of like a paste almost, and it has the scrubbing, and it's like real fine. So it's cool, and you will see results right away. You will. I just got a sample size, and I seen Chip's video, and she's like, I like this, and this is great stuff. I'm like, okay, let me try that sample. And once I tried that sample, I'm like, gotta get it. That's it. That's all she wrote, and then I got it. So, okay, talking about that too much because it's a good product. Wishful, Yo Glow, you'll want it. Okay, let's see. I think that's my last thing. These are my last things. Now, I got these on a BOGO, so you can probably get them on BOGO. I will put the real prices in. But these are Nike slides. They're so squishy. They got this cool bottom. So squishy and so cute. It has the pink and it says Nike. But I've been wearing these for a while. For like a week. Sorry, not that long, I guess. So comfortable, so cute. Like, love. Like, I mostly like fancy sandals, but these athletic sandals are good on your feet, girl. Okay, that was my first pair. And then I got I'm not going to show you the bottom. Well, I can show you, but I've been wearing these a lot. Okay, these are the Asana sandals, and then I have a little adjustable thing here, and the bottoms are kind of dirty. I wear these like every day. They're so comfortable. These were like $45 or so. I got them at what is that place called? Shoe Carnival? No, not Shoe Carnival. You probably can get them there. What is that place called? Oh, Famous Footwears. I got them, and I got them BOGO. So these were like $45, and these were like $16, $17. Dropping things, my famous dropping things. These are freaking comfy. You're gonna want to get these if you want like an athletic type thing. But yeah, I think that's everything in my video. I'm always a train wreck, so if you like that type of thing, make sure you come back. Make sure you go down and visit Mama Chip's channel. She will be doing her favorites. Like I said, we're doing about 5 products that we really love. And I know mine were kind of like 2, 2, and 2, and 2, but you know, it's around 5, but really it's probably about 9 or 10. But anyways, thank you so much for visiting my channel. Make sure you go see Chip. She'll be down in the description box. Make sure you follow all of my social media. And that's all I have for today. I'll see you in the near future. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.